Hello, I'm Robert Lambert of Robert Lambert Specialty Foods. And today I'm doing a very simple marinated asparagus with feta. Cooked the asparagus, steamed it in a steamer basket for about 3 or 4 minutes just to get it tender and keep the color, and spread it out in a pan so it cools quickly. And I'm going to combine a few things to make a little marinade for it. Balsamic vinegar, tablespoon. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And the special part, 2 tablespoons of 5 mandarin marmalade. It's my 5 mandarin marmalade. You can use any marmalade, but this one is special because it's made of over 30 varieties of rare and exotic mandarin oranges. So this is my 5 mandarin, and I've just mixed it with the balsamic and the olive oil, and we're just going to pour it onto the skewers. Finish this up. And really all you need to do is just shake it too. Leave it at room temperature. It's going to be fine. You can serve it at room temperature, and it's ready to go. Let me plate this. And I'm just going to add the feta. And that is my marinated asparagus with feta and 5 mandarin marmalade.